In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Shotcut program on your Windows computer. So I have opened here my Shotcut, and as you can see, it has a history of recent files and projects that I have just finished. But I would like to get a fresh new restart. So to do that, I'll just go ahead and reset my Shotcut. To do so, head over to settings here and then tap on it. And from here, head down until you see an option called reset. So if I go ahead and tap on reset, I'm told here that this will reset all settings and Shotcut must restart afterwards. Do you want to restart now? So you must be sure of your action and then go ahead and tap on yes. And when I tap yes, this will clear everything on my Shotcut program. And then I'll have to restart afresh. So that will go ahead and reset my Shotcut. And as you can see, I have reset it. So if you had any issue with the Shotcut, it will go ahead and fix it, and then you will get a new reset. So that's how you reset your Shotcut video editing tool. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.